have we been flowing in the workshop? Let's get feedback first.
The workshop has been very expository, particularly when I went through the materials. I discovered that some things that we do in the center that I belong to, we do them informally. And there's difference between doing things formally and doing things informally. But from this workshop, I've really gathered a lot, particularly the significance of literature review and the place of hypothesis while reviewing the literature.
Closely related to what he said is also, has been my own experience too. Having gone through research methodology courses during undergraduate and graduate class, and having gone through quite a number of research methodology texts, I have come across also quite a number of concepts that I don't really know what they mean in the real sense of it, like research design. I always read about research design, research methodology, and all of this. But from this workshop, I've been able to actually tap into the real meaning of this conceptual frameworks. Like if today I'm going to deliver a lecture on research design, I should be able to present it in a much more excellent way than I would have done in the past. That has been my experience.
I've benefited a lot from this workshop, particularly in the area of theories. It was so revealing that I don't have to follow too rigidly the theories that have existed, or that the theories that have existed do not have to constrain me. I can also bring out theories from my own work, develop theories, and if I'm able to, I should be able to prove them from the findings of my work. Then also yesterday I also learned greatly from the research questions. The research question pointing to the data that I don't need, also that I don't have to be constrained that this research, okay, this question, how will I do it? This question, I should just be focused. Set my questions. Just like he said yesterday that the research questions point to the data. And it will suggest the method that you use. I really learned greatly from that.
This workshop has done a lot of things. And we may not be able to realize the import and what we gain until we get to the field. To some of us who do not have solid background, when I say solid background, maybe during the undergraduate or graduate classes, for a class like this on research methodology, we have gained a lot. When I was reading through the materials on qualitative research yesterday, it was just bringing me back to, I was forced to open my system. I have a folder on methodology, and there is a particular journal, they call it qualitative inquiry. So I was going through all the materials I have, and I felt I've abandoned all these things for a while, and this is bringing me back into it, because I concentrate more on qualitative research. But now I've discovered that you can use both quantitative and qualitative, and that's why they call a mixed method. And that the reason why qualitative method is being discarded in some quarters is because of the unreliability which we've been discussing here. And I think we have gained a lot. Most importantly, we interact. You discover what you have known. You think that you are a master. You are an expert. But by the time you hear others, you think, I need to buckle up so that I'll be able to gain more. And I want to appreciate the organizers of this workshop. It has been, my professor called me yesterday, he said, how was the workshop? I said, I'm enjoying it real good. Thank you so much.
I am from Taishola University of Education, but I'm running my MPhil program here at a management department here. So I am really grateful for the opportunity given to me. I have actually gained a lot from the workshop, mostly in terms of these research questions, objectives, and hypotheses, because it has always been a kind of problem. Now I discovered that the research questions and the objectives are supposed to be the main thing. I think from the way I define it now, I think it's now the foundation, the bedrock for the research work, and it has given me a good knowledge on how to go about it. I think the questions first and not the methodology, because it used to be how will I go about it and all that. So I am really, really grateful for that. Then, like I said, I'm from the management science. Now, most of the things have been on the social sciences and all that. Then I discovered that I can still apply some of these things to my own work.